Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2001 Nissan Elgrand. It comes with 49,179 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3.5 liter 6-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This Elgrand is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 3 doors and a rear hatch. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number that you're looking at the bottom, 79,146, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 49,179. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle, starting on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC. Right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.